Do you know two helpers can work together? Today we will learn the double helper rule. This rule makes addition easy. Sometimes we want to add a number but small bits are already busy. So what should we do? We use two helpers, the 10, the 5 together. They work as a team. Here is the double helper rule. To add 9, add 10, take 5 and add 4. To add 8, add 10, take 5 and add 3. To add 7, add 10, take 5 and add 2. To add 6, add 10, take 5 and add 1. Now let's see the double helper rule in action. If you have your abacus ready, hold it up. Let's practice together. 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. Set 5 plus 9. See the double helper rule. To add 9, add 4, take 5, add 10. Plus 2, pull down 5, take 3 back. Plus 8, again the double helper rule. Add 3, take 5, add 10. Plus 7, the make 10 rule. Take 3, add 10. Plus 6, 5, 6. So answer is 30, 5, 6, 7. 37, right? Next, 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 9 plus 1. First set 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 6, the make 10 rule. Take 4 back, add 10. Plus 8, the double helper rule. To add 8, add 3, take 5, add 10. Plus 2, the helping 5 rule. Pull down 5, take 3 back. Plus 9, the double helper rule. Add 4, take 5, add 10. Plus 1, the helping 5 rule. Pull down 5, take 4 back. Answer is 35, right? Next, 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. First set 6, 5, 6. Plus 7, the double helper rule. To add 7, add 2, take 5, add 10. Plus 2, the helping 5 rule. Pull down 5, take 3 back. Plus 7, the double helper rule. Add 2, take 5, add 10. Plus 6, 5, 6. Plus 5, the make 10 rule. Take 5, add 10. So answer is 33. Next, 8 plus 6 plus 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8. First set 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 6, the double helper rule. To add 6, add 1, 5, take 5, add 10. Plus 1, the helping 5 rule. Pull down 5, take back. 4 plus 6. So to add 6, the double helper rule. Add 1, take 5, add 10. Plus 5, plus 8. Again the double helper rule, to add 8, add 3, take 5, add 10. Answer is 34. Okay, right. See how easy that was. The double helper rule helps us when 5 is busy. Are you ready for a challenge? Okay, 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to? Write the answer in the comments using the double helper rule. See you next time. Bye bye.